Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to add a super cool feature to your website, switching between light mode and dark mode using JavaScript. It's a fantastic way to enhance the user experience and make your website more visually appealing. Let's get started. First, let's set up a basic HTML structure. We'll need a button for the user to toggle between light and dark modes, and we'll also need some CSS to style our page in both modes. Here's what it looks like. Now let's add some basic styles to our page. We'll set up the colors for both light and dark modes. Feel free to customize these styles to match your website's design. I am using CSS variables to store the colors that we are going to use. This will help out when we get to the JavaScript. The rest is just some CSS styling for the card that uses the CSS color variables. Time for the fun part. We start by adding the DOM elements to our JavaScript, then let's create a JavaScript function to handle the mode switching. We'll use localStorage to save the user's preference and apply the appropriate class to the body element. The localStorage will save the user's preference to the browser. This allows the user to get the theme they previously used even if they close the browser window. And there you have it. With just a few lines of JavaScript, you can add a slick dark mode feature to your website. Your users will love the option to switch between light and dark modes, making your website more accessible and stylish. Remember, you can always customize the styles to match your website's theme. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting web development tutorials. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.